Sriram CMS, which is the world's first ASP.NET Core CMS. It is built in latest version of ASP.NET Core 5.0. You can use this CMS to create dynamic website containing unlimited pages, blogs, menus, and upload unlimited images and files. This CMS is available in GitHub. The download link is given at the description box of this video. Use it freely in your projects. Let us understand its installation part. First, make sure you download this CMS from GitHub to your local PC. Then double-click the solution file, which will open this project in Visual Studio. Then open the appsettings.json file given in the root of the CMS and change the connection string to your database. Here I am changing the server name from VAO to MySQL server name installed in my PC. Next, run the following 4 Entity Framework Core migration commands one by one. These commands are listed in the GitHub page of this CMS. Run these commands on Package Manager console. Make sure you run the commands from the same directory in which startup.cs class is kept. That is why I am first using the cd command to go to the directory of startup.cs class. Just copy and run them one by one as I am doing it right now. You can now see a new folder called Migrations is created on the Apps folder. It contains migration files. Now refresh your SQL Server and you will find 2 newly created databases. These are CMS Core and CMS Core Identity. The next step is to run the script called script.sql on the database CMS Core. This script contains SQL stored procedures and SQL functions. You will find this script inside the CMS folder that you downloaded earlier. The admin user should be created in the identity database, which is CMS Core Identity, and this user will access the CMS to add, update, delete the pages, blogs, media images, menus, etc. Run your application in Visual Studio, shortcut F5 key, and then open the /login/create URL in your browser to create the admin user. By default, the admin user will be created with the following credentials: username admin, password, secret $123. By the way, the previous screen which you just saw is the dynamic website which will be created and modified by this CMS. Congratulations! The installation of the CMS is completed. Now it's time to log on to the CMS using the username which was just created a moment ago. So, go to the URL /login, and enter the username admin password secret $123 and click the button. You will now enter CMS and can see different sections on the left sidebar. These includes Pages section, Blogs section, Menu section, Media section, and so on. You can create items in these sections like Add Pages, Blogs, Menus, Images. And this will build your dynamic website. I hope you like the Sriram CMS, which is the world's first ASP.NET Core CMS. Use it freely. Please like this video and also don't forget to star the GitHub repository. Thank you.